What's up, YouTube? How are you guys doing, man? It's been a while since I've seen you guys. You know, can't even lie to y'all, I've just been working, doing other stuff, so I really haven't been uploading. I've been slacking, I'm not gonna lie. This time, yeah, y'all see me in a little tank. I know I ain't really got that much muscle, so I'm not really bragging. But we going to do some b-ball with my boys. So I got a bunch of friends coming out there, like Dylan, Marcus, Chris, Tyler, Gaston, all them boys coming out there. Maybe Greg and some other ones coming out there to ball with us. So y'all about to see ankles getting crossed. People about to like get serious ankles crossed. So we gonna see who's I'm not gonna lie, my b-ball skills, I'm not gonna call myself like up here or God or anything or like sell myself short. I know what I could do. I'm pretty sure I know I can at least shoot and make a bucket. I know I'm gonna make something, but shit, my boys already calling me right now, so we about to head out, y'all. Oh, so look at these boys over here thinking they about. Look at this boy Dylan who gonna get his ankles crossed first. He said he out here. All right, so he ready to get his ankles crossed first. Oh, what's good, Tyler? What's good? What's good? Okay, 22 though. 22 though. I see you. All right, Gaston, you ready for them ankles to get cut up? Ready for them ankles to get cut up? All right, everybody. It was at this moment. All right, boy, if you don't get this, if anything happens with you, Gaston, this moment's gonna play back over and over. He said, "I'm gonna be crossing ankles." Okay, Tyler.
Hey, bro.
Tyler. Tyler. Just because the camera didn't see nothing, don't mean. Look at my boy Axcel. Axcel, you gonna cross some ankles? Oh, Dylan trying to say he can wet something. Let me set this camera up so we can get this going. Let me try to find an angle. I gotta find an angle and everything to get everybody and record everything. I'm scared because it's rain, bro. I just don't want that shit to come down. That's the only shit I'm worried about. But we gonna still be playing even in the rain. That's how we niggas do it. Alright, so wait, are we playing half court or full court? How we playing? Half? Alright, I'm gonna set it up on this half then. So I can get like every angle, bro. Alright, bro. I got that camera set up. That's that good angle right there. That's seeing everything right there. Let's pick up these teams. Look at you over here munching. I wish I had like a little mini umbrella. I would legit just stick the umbrella right over my camera.
I think you're straight with the bag.
That's what I'm thinking, but I mean, if it starts picking up, I'll just, get it. I put it under.
Oh yeah, nah. If it starts picking up, just throw it in the car.
I just want to get some footage. Some footage is better than none anyway. I still could work with something. Good. That's on YouTube. That's on YouTube. Oh, yeah,
hey, bro, that shit. Hey, bro, shit. Hey, delete that shit. Delete that shit. Delete that shit.
Hey, you see in the edit.
Delete that. Delete that. Delete that shit. Delete.
Go home.
Delete. Chief Hamilton. Hey, Chief Hamilton. Chief Hamilton.
He about to be over here, Chief. So you ready, Chief? You see that camera though, Chief, right? You see that camera there, right?
Chief Hamilton.
You know what's going down. You gotta get a game.
It came all the way over here. Chief Hamilton. Woo! I'm trying to stay out of the way. Hey, I'm gonna go practice on this court right over here where the camera can't see me. Hey, who trying to come on this side? I ain't trying to get my ugly ass shot on that. I ain't trying to get my ugly ass shot on that.
Hey man, shoot it from back where I'm shooting it.
Shit, I don't want to hit the car. I don't want to hit the car. I don't want to hit the car. Oh, the wind. Where the wind is crazy.
I had the car hitting head ass full.
Hey, first of all, that shit ain't easy. Hey, that man, like
I'm trying to start choosing teams, you two. I don't know how this going. All I know is there's a few people I don't want on my team.
Oh shit.
Few people I do want on my team. You dig? We out here. That's how Gaston popped that one ball. Hey, all right. So how we choosing teams? Shooting for captain?
Yeah. She's coming out shooting the ball. Oh shit, it's starting to rain. Oh, going back. Oh shit. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, let's go get dinner. Not right now. Whose car is that? It's a Dodge. That's not a... But you can put it in Chris car. Wait, actually, Chris car right here. I feel like right now we're still good. Hey, put up to the court, put up on the court right here. Go home, go fighting. For right now, he's fine. I'm not good. Nah, I'm not good at basketball. Look at that. You see that? Get a ball, automatic catch. Automatic catch. Hey, bro, I'm sorry. That was a joke. Hey, bro, you know that was a warm up. Hey, give me the ball, automatic catch. I was confident shit about that one, man. Come on, man, that's some bullshit. Oh, you got it? Oh, you did! You took mine! You took mine out, bro. Look what you did. You made it cheat again. Alright, man. Chris cheat. Choose your team. Let's go. Everybody line up. Line up in front of the camera, too. Right here. Hey, pick me last. Hey, y'all should catch this man right there. Hey, look at that one. Y'all see I just made a three, by the way. For the moment. I don't know. Hey, which ball y'all use? Let's shoot you. Come on, choose your team. I'm really down too much. Pick one. Are we lining up? I don't know that's fine. I didn't pick any of y'all. Choose the players. Hey, pick, man. Alright. You get first pick. I'm gonna go with Rahmeen because I know that he's been talking shit otherwise. So I'm gonna go with Rahmeen. I ain't give a fuck. Hey, that LeBron picture. Alright, I'll take Elizabeth. For real, bro. Shit. Wait, 5 minutes? Oh, you got to I was trying to be lying. Wait, it's you and I've never seen Axcel play. I have seen Gaston play. I'm sometimes disappointed, but sometimes. Oh yeah, that's true. I'm gonna be fair. I'm sorry. Why am I the only Hell no. Who said full court? Alright, let's get it started, bro. Before the rain starts. Yeah, you guys get ball. It's picking up. It's picking up. Damn, it picked up. Ball pouring. Fuck. Alright, let's get you. Fucking start playing so we can't take. Whoa, you can't like get on that. If it starts lightning, I'm fucking running. Are we still going? Yeah. Still going? Make sure my car.
I'm honestly just trying to make sure the bitch don't get wet.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Hey, I'll put my shirt on.
Somebody come and look at this. Oh, look at this.
Oh no, my shit's good. Hold up. Oh shit, where's my shit at? Is
Unless,
it in your bag right
hey,
now?
wait, crit, it is somewhat.
Shit.
But I mean, I don't trust it.
You good? Hey, throw your.
Oh, fuck
Hey,
no.
put it up real quick, bro.
Hell yeah. Fuck that. Oh, hell no.
It'll slow down. It will.
Holy shit, talk about how we recording. I wonder if I was gonna see if I could put it through the window. But it's raining. I mean, shit. I don't fucking know. Alright guys, so it's raining like hard as fuck right now, bro. It's pouring, bro. Like, we already saw this shit was gonna. I think we still playing. I was gonna put this up, bro, cause the camera ain't getting shit. Fuck. We already getting wet. Fuck it. Oh my god, dude, we're all soaking wet right now. All this fucking rain, bro. Look, we're all just soaking wet. Look at these boys.
This is my new ass car too, bro. This shit is
new car all wet. them all wet, shirts off. We've been actually playing. I didn't get to record any of that, but we've been playing some basketball. Let's just say that.
Good thing you ever
Playing. Oh yeah, no, I'm happy. Yeah, nah, we was playing kind of trash too. Like shit, dude.
Answer the call.
Like, extremely
Madden
wet
franchise.
Right now. So I don't know.
Linda,
They're talking
where we
about
going, bro?
maybe going to the other basketball court that has a roofing, because we started going in once we saw the thunder.
Where y'all wanna go, bro?
And lightning. Once we saw the lightning.
To be honest, we have 6
black
still.
people like,
Oh,
fuck,
shit.
no, but dude, I am really soaking wet. Poor Chris. This is his brand new spanking car, bro. He just got this car.
Yeah, like
We all just, up in here, just soaking and festering, letting, just water get everywhere, bro. Like,
that smell like mold, dude.
He's
gonna smell like Rahmeen's ass, bro.
It's gonna smell like some sweaty niggas. Some sweaty wet niggas. We all soaked. We said, nah, fuck it, let's keep
I
playing.
can feel the water. I was going up.
Has it stopped? Yo, it dead ass stop. Like it stop. Wow, I'm mad.
They're all still outside, man.
Yeah, they all still out here. Where Chief at? Over at his car chilling. Then you got Gaston and all them over there. They over there chilling.
This man's still recording.
Yeah, what y'all doing? What's going on?
I don't know. It's out. It's dead ass clear sky.
I know, it's like clear skies stopping it. This is why I hate this place. We're South Carolina sucks.
I'm wet.
We all wet, bro. Everybody wet. Everybody out here wet, dude. It's about to be clear skies in a minute. That's that whole little dark cloud that was over us. And now you got a little cracked bit of light. Just an itty bitty bit of light, but we all still soaked. It's crazy, bro. We all out here still soaked. So what's going on? What the hell we doing? Shit, I'm hungry too. We all hungry, bro. We hungry, wet, and bothered. Whew. I can't believe we actually stayed out and played. I'm real surprised. I thought we were just gonna be like, all right, thunder, lightning, all right. Black people said we out. We going home.
We in the white neighborhood.
All my boys, we all wet, Hey, we got lit though. I ain't get to record none of that gameplay, so it's a good thing I didn't, cause some shit went down. So like,
You got some of Lindo's
oh yeah, Lindo, you got some stuff in there, so you already know that.
Shut the hell up,
We
man.
got
Hey,
you.
no.
already. He said, nah.
Back out here if he wants to
delete
have
that
more
shit.
YouTube highlights, bro.
Yeah, right. Look at Chi. Look at this dude, Chi. This nigga all the way over here chilling in his car. They both parked all the way over there. Dylan all the way down there. Oh yeah, Lindo all the way down there too. Damn. Yeah, you are. Everybody's soaking wet.
No one's bringing his ball.
Chief's coming back out. Chief's coming back out.
About to be my meat.
Man, I just wanted to go home and eat some
About to be
food,
my
bro.
meat.
I'm hungry.
About to be my meat.
Grown folk business too. You did, kids. This is a kids channel. Alright, so I don't even know. We might fucking play again. Shit, we might come back out on this wet ass court. I don't know. Someone tell me.
You can't listen to that, bro.
Look, the whole court wet. We said, fuck it, we don't care. I mean, we gonna play. We gonna just play. There was a quarter? Yeah, he was complaining about a quarter earlier.
was a quarter in my
man.
fucking shoe.
I thought it was a puddle. I was like, yeah, it's probably a puddle. It was a quarter. That's crazy how you called it spot on a quarter too. This shit could have been a nickel. Could have been a dollar. Could have been a dollar coin. Could have been anything. I said, nah, it's a quarter. Uh-oh, Axcel stand. Hey, he said, shit, might as well play with the camera. I'm gonna put my, I'm down for that. Maybe get a little bit more footage this time. Hopefully this time I can actually record without, my camera almost dying and getting wet. It looks like the skies are gonna clear up though. Not me. Sure as hell not me. I'm not talking about anything with work related. I'm off today. This is YouTube, bro. Oh, soaking wet talk? Who gonna take this soaking wet? They be like, boy, Josh ain't even here, so he couldn't even be mad that we tracking in water and stuff on the floor and stuff. So it would just be interesting. Let's just say that. They be like, where did y'all go?
50 to your friends too?
I mean, they get 50 on a table, depending on who's paying the shit. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Put it on one ticket, hell yeah.
I got cash.
Always got cash. Always got cash. Always got cash. People, y'all boys really hungry, bro. Damn, dude, my hair all soaking wet and stuff, bro. Y'all hot, you dig? Nah. We saw that, Dylan.
We saw that. So, all right, I'm about to try to set up this camera. And we gonna try this again, YouTube. We gonna see if we can actually get an actual game recorded, bruh. Look at this dude, Chief. Look, Chief even here, bruh. Soaking wet ass. He said he a baller. Nah.
Man, if you don't sit your goddamn glass pistol grip chin down somewhere.
Watch when he busts his ass first. I'm gonna call it. Homeboy going, oh look, I can zoom in and see them crusty toes. Dang. Look at them crusty ass toes. Nasty ass toes. The other one. He said back in the day. I know about. All right, wait. Hold on. I did start. Where going? Hey, where is it? Where is it?
I'm a guy.
Don't do it. Same team. Oh, come on, Gaston. Oh my God.
Alright, let's start. We got ball, right?
Hey, let's just start over, man. I don't know what the score was.
Alright, 0-0. We got ball.
We're starting over. This time it's recording.
This time it's street ball, bro.
Now it's recording.
Alright, before we do it, who has who?
It's street.
Hey, can we switch Steve? Who has who?
Man's right here. My nipples, bro. His nipples all cut. He said he could cut diamonds.
Hey, what?
Oh, wait, hold on. They're on the same team, bro. Damn. Hey, put Rahmeen on Axcel, Chris on 2 or 4.
Nah, I want Chris.
Alright, Rahmeen, Scott. Gaston, your eye ready for me.
Gaston was back. I said Gaston on. Damn.
Oh, shit.
Come on. Oh.
Jump shot? Hey. That's you, boy. Come out getting pushed. So I ain't getting pushed. I'll put my hands up while I'm getting pushed.
I ain't seen her.
Foul. It's too late, nigga. My shot. No, it's too late. Hey, let me shoot for it. Oh, hell no. Shoot for it. Hey, somebody good shoot for it. Nah, you fucking pushed me to the pole. You probably the best. Oh, shit. Why doesn't lie?
Oh, God. You see where it hit.
No, I thought it was going in from that end.
Alright, check those
I
dead
can't
ball,
shoot.
right? It's my ball.
Hey.
He needs some milk.
Oh shit!
I'm checking out after that. Whoa! Get back. I don't even know what the rebound is. Shit was just. Hit that wall, boy. Hit that.
I'm barely I can't speed up.
I didn't see who was behind me. So
Yeah, we might camera on. He said that camera on. Hey, camera on. Let me put a new shot for that cam. Keep finding the word about it. Oh my God, hey, Rahmeen.
Yeah!
Oh!
What? Camera's on! Oh, hell no. What? Hell no. That ugly ass shot.
Hey, that shit worked though.
I'm sorry. I'm
Jackson, that's all you.
No, it's not.
Damn.
too big. He just kind of like puts it in there. Hey, Gavin, back up.
Calm down.
Put it up. Oh, I should have played that. There you go.
You got Rahmeen. You got Rahmeen.
Just stay on.
Mark, you just not got Rahmeen. You got Rahmeen for Gaston.
I'll get Gaston.
I can't move left and right. If you would have driven right down with the 10th ball. I'm not gonna lie.
Rahmeen. Hey, hit
Put it up.
First shot.
Oh my God! Wow!
You not like that.
LeBron James.
Oh, Chris, I like that.
Do it again.
Do it again?
Do it again.
All right, no, don't be cocky now. Don't be cocky now. Oh, motherfucker. All you heard was the squeak of this nigga shit.
Nah, I'm gonna go point guard mode, bro. I'm gonna guard mode.
I still don't know who I got. I'm gonna take Gaston.
Get who guard. Well, first game. Oh, hell no.
Hey, that going on the video? Right? Yeah, right? Hey, we gotta take yes. Wait, that just rim?
No.
Guys, run a shot. Okay, take it. Put it in.
Not lucky assist, bro. No.
He came in again.
Hall of Fame diamond, bro.
This came back.
Hall of Fame diamond, bro. Hey, don't pick up that.
I got it. Yes.
Do it, nigga.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes.
Do it.
Oh my God.
I
I ain't gonna lie.
my diamond didn't work.
I can't even dribble without.
Oh, I got two on me.
Take your shot. Oh. How you gonna foul and you not even shoot up the damn ball?
Yeah. Keep passing the ball. Oh yeah, floater alert.
Run it.
Oh, what? Come, guys. You can't shoot like that. Oh, God.
Oh, too much. Them side shots really fucking you. Your guy really fucking with you right now.
Hey, he's an acrobatic.
Switch Chris.
I got
He
an
ain't that hard to
A
guard.
plus right now.
Yeah, I got like a D minus.
I got like a ball mismatch. Give me the ball. Ooh, come here.
Look at this. Somebody come in there.
I'm calling that.
Look at this.
What was it?
Travel
Look
you wish.
Nigga, he hit the
Look
ball.
at this.
Nah, nigga, you take that bitch for a minute and then walk. Fuck. Damn it. Why? Shit. Why the fuck would you not catch the ball? I miss a dream.
Point guard mode. Nothing but pass.
What you gonna do? You think I give you more mobility?
Yeah, all over that. Oh, that's out of him. He threw this.
Take it, do it back in.
Oh, it's playing it?
I mean,
Just check it. Hey, nah, that one out. Just check it.
It don't matter either way. Y'all ball.
I mean, we got camera.
The pass.
I'm gonna see these.
One time.
Slap the back right quick.
It never looked like that, boy. It never looked like that, boy. Okay. Oh yeah, again.
Oh shit, my fault.
Pull up. I'm gonna follow you. Oh yeah!
Damn.
Okay.
I'm too shallow. I need to be deeper. Window.
I ain't gonna fuck with that.
Boy, he been hitting everywhere.
I was like a bum pin to this nigga.
Yes, back.
Oh my God! Get him!
Linda.
Hey, up.
Oh, that worked.
Oh, good pass. Why you gonna say it?
Oh, I don't want to
Oh my God! Damn, I'm slipping.
I got the screen. Come on. Yeah.
I guarantee it. It's all good.
Hey, I'm going to pee.
Did you touch it, Rahmeen?
I did. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm trying to save it. It's straight.
Bro, I hear it.
It just click.
Oh, it's our ball?
He's right there. Too easy. Too easy.
Who on Axcel and thing, man? They getting open now.
If he made that, he's feeling like dirt today. I mean, back one. Come on. Hell no.
Rahmeen is a fucking.
He said, come on. I said, you know, I'm gonna try to pull a shot.
Peace out. Well,
Who's on market? Hey man, no one's guarding market, so I'm just on whoever opening the hole.
Who can park, boy? The big man with the feed. Hey, Linda, you get it? He can't guard me. It's a mismatch.
Shut the fuck up.
He can't guard me. I'm in the ball. He can't guard me. He can't guard me.
Oh my god, it goes to rain.
Oh, almost broke your own ankle.
There you go. I think you get it right now.
Oh! Woo! Away.
No, let me get active.
Yeah, I'm fucking like. They on
can't guard
Axcel.
me.
We on Axcel. He already open.
Hey, I'm back out here. Oh, God.
I really. Oh, dude, that was almost my fault.
He made me laugh. I got. Oh, I'm about to snap. You got it?
This shit lazy beam the roof. I know, dude. If that would have went up, I would be like, that's the sexy part.
Oh, he got
This shit
your
Gaston?
Gaston?
You're not shooting that like that.
Oh my god.
Dude, alright, I gotta get my shot back.
Linda.
Oh shit, boy. Oh, you switched, man.
Oh my god, it's still raining.
Look at that pass! Oh, you couldn't keep it going! Axel, where were you?
Jesus Christ. It's fucking still raining, dude. We'll move the camera.
We got it, it's all good.
You getting wet again. We putting you away. Cause you is a $500 camera. Ha! Oh, what's good? A2 Noodle Gang stand. No, I ain't like flight. Ain't no flight stand. Noodle Gang stand up. No, this just Noodle Gang, Noodle Squad, whatever y'all wanna call it. You know, it's the Noodle family. We here. We doing this. You know, your boys done did it again, but got to do the outro. And now you know we here editing the bitch. And now I'm doing the outro. This is y'all outro. What's up, YouTube? Bye. No, psych. I just honestly wanted to also come on here just to tell y'all, like, I really high key bucks with you guys. You guys got me to 500 pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I haven't had my YouTube channel that long. Sorry, couldn't really, lost my words. Haven't had my channel that long. You know, you guys got me to 500. I really appreciate that. Like, now you know we on the road to like 1 mil. Nah, but we gonna aim down a little bit lower than 1 mil. But 1 mil is one of our goals. Don't get it twisted. 1 mil is a goal. Trust and believe we gonna hit that 1 mil. Trust. But for right now, steady trying to hit that 1K. If I can hit that 1K, I'd be a happy camper, bro. Got more bangers coming out for y'all because you guys have been pestering me and I've been being lazy. Haven't, been doing any type of videos at all. So that's me being lazy and stuff. I'm gonna stop being lazy. I'm gonna start putting out way more videos. I got like different challenges I can do now, and I even have pranks. But we keep the pranks on the low because some of the people watching are gonna get pranked. Yeah, they already know who they are, but they're gonna be trying to watch out. But trust me, Noodle Gang, trust me, we come hard. I'm getting them dudes, bro. They don't know, or girls. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys I really support y'all. So give this video a like, subscribe, share results to all your friends, your family, and if you don't subscribe, hey man, take your potatoes. I can't do that, bro. I'm trying to be like, what's his face? He'd be like, don't subscribe, I'll take your fries. But don't subscribe, I'm gonna slurp your noodles. I cannot. Alright, YouTube, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. You dig?